Hello, welcome. This is Daniel Boateng. It's been a while we met, and today we are going to look at how to fix your broken string with a break wire. How to fix your broken string with a break wire. If this is your first time of watching my video, please hit on the subscribe button and check the notification so that you'll be notified anytime I make a video. Let's begin today's lesson. To fix this broken string, in fact, I picked up my guitar this morning and tried to play something. So in the course of tuning the guitar, I turned the string. In fact, I don't have a spare string anywhere. I called the nearest music shop and they said their strings are out of stock. So what should I do? I have to buy this break wire. It's just 1 Ghana cedi. The set of string over here is 25 cedis. I bought this 1 Ghana cedi. So I'm going to show you how you can fix this first string with this break wire. Now, these are the tools you need. You need a plier, you need a break wire, you need a knob. You see the string knob or the lock, okay? Then let's see, pick out the locker over here with the plier, pick it out. Good. Then take away the broken string. Take away the broken string. Good. I have taken it out. Keep it somewhere because this thing will be useful someday. Okay, now let's take our break wire. Let's take our break wire and then take one string out of the wound. The break wire is wounded, so you have to take just one string from the wound. All right, so have to untie it. Untie it. Untie it. Whenever you go to a program, you can use this process on electric guitar too. No, it's not only acoustic. I've been using this on my electric guitar too, and it works perfectly. Okay, so let's take one string from the wound, and then we take it out. Let's take it out. Let's see. Good. Taking it out to the length of the string. Good. Let's see. This is an improvisation. All right, this is an improvisation. We're going to look at how that thing sounds. Okay, so check whether the length is okay, then you stop. Okay, this left. Okay, let me untie some more. Let me. Okay. Yeah, now I can see I have the length I'm looking for. So you need a cutter, but this time I don't have a cutter, so I'm going to use a cutlass. Okay, I'm going to use a cutlass to cut the string. This is purely yeah, good. So I have my string I'm going to use. Let's see. Yeah, then you pick up your locker, place the string inside the hole, then you coil it. Let's see. you coil it. It's very tough though, but you have to try and coil it around. Yeah, coil it. Yeah. Now I have something like this. Now put it inside the bridge. Put it inside the bridge like this. Okay. Then lock it. Good. Let's see. I've locked it. Then try to put it in place like this. You have to wind it on the tuning peg, the knob. So wind it. Yeah, wind it. I don't have that winder, so I'm using this traditional one. Never be discouraged whenever your string is torn. You can try this process so that you keep the fire burning. Keep the fire burning. Don't stop. Don't be discouraged that you have broken your string and you don't have a spare. There is no music shop near you, so you are discouraged that you cannot play guitar. You can use this process and then just straight away you can play your guitar. Let's see. We are going to play the guitar very soon. Just winding it. You can try it if you are in the village as I am. The music shop near me is out of stock with guitar strings. So what should I do? I have to do this improvisation. With a brake wire. You can try your hands on it whenever you are out of stock. Whenever you don't have a spare string to replace your torn string. The tension is coming. It is coming. The tension is coming. Yeah. We are almost there. Serious. We are almost there. Good. Almost. Yeah. You see, the string is like a zigzag. It's like zigzag. So you have to wind it till it becomes straight. Yeah, it can become straight if you wind it well. Now this time we can tune our guitar. This time we can tune the string. It seems we are done, but we are left with the tuning. So let's quickly pick up our guitar tuner and then tune. Now the tuner is here, so let's try and see whether we will get what we are looking for. Let's see. Oh, let's see. Serious. Hey, Charlie, come. Don't disgrace me. Yeah, it is coming. Yeah, almost there. Yeah, it's there. Now I have my E sound. Yeah, I have my first E. Okay. Okay, I have my first E. Now let's look at the B. The B. In fact, you can use this process for the E, the first E, and then the second B. When you are on the acoustic or the electric guitar, you can use this process for these two strings. It works perfectly. Look at the G over here. The G. Let's look at the G. Yeah, the G is done. The D. Yeah, D is done. It's tuned. A. Yeah, it's tuned. And then the E. Yeah. So let's still check the E, the first E. Yeah, it's gone down. So let's try to tune it again. Yeah, it's there. The B has gone down. Good. J has gone down a bit. Okay. D has gone down a bit. Okay. E has gone down a bit. All right. The E is okay. Right, this little E. Okay. Good. Okay, so check. I have it now. I can play my guitar. So I can play anything I want to. So my dear friends, if you tone your first string or the second string of your electric guitar or the acoustic guitar and you are out of stock, you don't have a spare string, please don't be discouraged. Use this process to replace your tone string with a brake wire and you will enjoy it. You meet for a beautiful lesson next time. Thank you.